Hey, it's James from Finney Electrical. In today's video, we're doing the 3 Peaks challenge.
Cut!
We got Joe here.
Cut!
And we got Rachel here. Camera off.
Oh, that was sick. I think he just did a front flip.
Wild deer in Bradford. $16,000 raised. Hey! That's where the charity with the most money raised, which is pretty cool. There we go. This Oscar's Paediatric Brain Tumour Charity. So it's for a kid called Oscar, and basically they were raising money to have a life-saving operation in America. However, sadly he died, and they basically set up this charity in his honour. So we're here raising money for kids with brain tumours, just to help them out. So that's pretty cool. So everyone's set off without us. So there's quite a big group of us, but they're down there somewhere over the bridge. Yeah, I turned up and I looked down and I had traders on still. I was like, no! So I've had to swap out. And we bought these cool little sticks, haven't we? What do you think of them?
They're really good.
They're not bad, are they? Nice little foam pad. What are they called? Brasher. It's not a sponsor, Dad. But yeah, they're pretty cool. So we'll, what is it? It's the equivalent, is it a marathon?
Yeah.
How many What is it? How many kilometres?
38.
38 kilometres, and I've already got a twinge in my right toe. Oh.
I think it was my fault. It might have been.
No, thank you, Zano, for this nice little hat. You get some free advertisement on this video. It's not a sponsor, Dad. It's alright, isn't it? Yeah, I got like a Christmas hamper for doing a few videos with him. But look at this, beautiful walks. Got some nice scenery today. You want a nice scenery on the road?
Sheep on the road.
I'm gonna stand back. That's funny. What's going on? Hey, look. He's lost his strap right middle. Look at his bag, it's lopsided. Just dragging his sticks along. There we go, the beautiful moors of North Yorkshire. And the beautiful Joe Beale. How are you finding your Kimbo sticks?
Sick.
He said it's like being on an e-bike. Look at that. I've only got one, I'm going. I don't know.
Hear the tones of the wind whipping my arse crack.
Right, so we've got a message from Bill then.
Hiya, we're at the top of Penn again on our 3 Peaks walk for Oscar's Paediatric Brain Tumour Charity. We've currently raised about £80,000, we're hoping to get it up to £20,000 by the time we get back. If you wanted to text Oscar, O-S-C-A-R, followed by your donation amount to 70470, then you can help fundraise this amazing charity. Thanks very much. Back to you, James.
Right, first on the menu then we've got some oh yes, there you go, Mr. Beale. You don't want one now?
I don't like them.
You don't like them?
Give you them.
What have you got then? Chocolate chunk. Lovely. Right, I'll have, what else we got? We've got some biltong, some beef jerky, and a little fruit shoot. Over the mountains. I forgot the tune of it. Far over.
This is so cute.
The mist. Far over misty mountains cold,
to dungeons deep and caverns old, we must away ere break of day to find our long forgotten gold. The pines were roaring on the height, the winds were moaning in the night. The fire was red. Have to do it now! Cheers blazed with light. What? What am I going to say?
Come on, Gimli. Now we're a bit further on now, so we're off the first mountain. We've got these lovely views of them big fat sheep over there. I think they're ready for shearing. Ed shearing over there. Ed shearing. That'll do. Oh! That was stacked it. Woo! That would have been bad, wouldn't it? Crikey. There we got the start of 2 nearly. Lined up. That's it. I got it. Now go.
It's not there.
I heard. You heard it as well?
You know something. I'm here at the Whernside Viaduct, where we're just waiting for the T421 service to Bradford. Oh, here it comes now. Oh god, I haven't played.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, that's such a shit train as well.
You love a bit of train spotting.
I think there's Dementors on the track.
It's quite Harry Potterish, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
It's a bit like the Lord of the Rings film, this, isn't it? Just never ends. We'll get to the end when we get to Mordor.
We're losing you.
What have you got then, Beale? So this took you 2 hours to make.
An hour and a half.
So you got to bed at 12:30 at night, didn't you?
Yeah. To get up at 4:15.
It's quite filled. Yeah, a sandwich shop I'd pay at least.
That's
£3 for that.
Supposed to be curry chicken.
I'm hoboing it, so we've got the canister, a bit of flame, and an open can. That'll do. Who needs a pan? And then this lad's eating a candle.
A tasty candle at that, my friend.
What even is it?
It is some sweet something or other from the Middle East, no clue, very tasty.
Sounds good.
I like
there we go. Polski. There we go, soup down, and then Joe's kindly lent me, what is it, coronation chicken. So how did you make it? It's got some pickle.
Yeah, with mayo and curry powder.
Pickle, mayo and curry powder. It's just alright, you know, good stuff. Now we've got some right little nuggets. Some right little view through here. Look at that. Let's get up and up. Let the camera adjust. That is a nice view. Now we're a bit further on then, so I said I'd document the cool stuff. So we've got a train track here then, in the middle of nowhere, so a big train track. Check this side out. We've got on built full on river over the top of the train track. How mad's that? Built a little weir. Train track when you get up. Take that. So this hill then is, it's up there we're going to get to. It's like a walker, doesn't it? Like an old granny walker. Yeah, we're going to be on top of there next. The camera's waterproof. Crikey. I think we've got another 4 hours, something like that maybe. So I can't remember, to be fair. This one's been the middle one. Here we go, top of the two. Which is running out as well. Oh, that was hard work. So what was it? About an hour just climbing downhill? Yeah, just an hour, just a little step after step, one step at a time, flipping it. But these poles are brilliant. Just leaning on it and stepping one at a time and flipping it. Wicked. So what have we got? Those little pickled onion space raiders. Oh, they're so nice right now. And we got Joe in the bush, if you know what I mean. How you doing, lad? Right, we're halfway down number 2. See if we can get to number 3 base. Look at that, that there is a tiny shaker, see? Look at that! Oh, so it's just full of like farmland, grass. My legs are knackered. But we'll make it, we'll make it. We're gonna get this money's worth for Oscar's charity. Like an Eskimo.
Somebody's left to go in the van.
Right, so we've got a room full of people that are doing the last peak. So we've put us in this shed. So we've been put in this shed. Here it is. It's like a little cafe thing. So once all these guys are ready, we're going to go up as a big group and do the last peak, and then we'll be finished, and then we can raise money for the charity. When I say I'm tired, cut me on like a big beach. I've got 2 padded coats under here, I'm like Michelin man, waddling about.
Oh, oh no, that's a pig. Barbara. Oh, Barbara.
There we go, we've got a sheep trap. Ed Sheeran over there.
I like it when you're all tired. You like it?
Here we go, and we're off.
Malham Cove from Wish.
Oh. We're at the top. Well, the top of that little stairway to heaven thing. It's just stairs after stairs, look at it. Oh! Right, this is cool though, we get like a little... Oh, something like that, just step after step. I'm glad I've got this pole thing. It's been absolute right. That's cool though, right? Should we look under water, what do you think? That'd be cool, wouldn't it? Beautiful scenery. It's on a mountain. Why is there a dig on a mountain? Look at it. Wait a minute. Where? Where are they? They're never about, are they? 2 years to build a smart motorway. You never see them working. There was a sign like for kids. Kids drawn it, said, "Have you seen my daddy?" He says, "No. No, I've never seen him. He's not working." Inside of me. It's killing. We're just doing 1 step at a time. Yeah, we've got all that to go. Oh, what can I have? Chicken. Look at them beast. Oh. Blood. Oh hey, we got out the little valley thing. So yeah, I'm knackered. This kind of gentleman's given me 2. It's like... Oh, you can go so much quicker uphill with 2. Oh, easy mode now. I've been dying. Oh hey, we made it to the top. Come on, that'll do.
Oh, look at that. Handsome.
I know. Look over this. Anyway, back there we go. Look at that for a beautiful view. So we've make it down now. It's a lot. Oh, it's not really clear, but we see a bit of a path. I'm modelling like a character off South Park called Timmy. He's got crutches and I'm like that one. I've got 2 of these. Oh, this is great fun. Oh, I can't wait for the flat. Oh, descending's the worst. Basically, this kid, I don't know if I explained it, got cancer. Oh, and they raised money so he could have a life-saving operation in America. Oh, and they're raising money, and unfortunately died. And they use that money to set up Oscar's charity to help kids with brain tumours, because there's not a lot of charities out there that do brain tumours for kids. So there's loads of like people that help and support the families, which is nice. But with that story, then go back to that story, the dad essentially got a brain tumour and died. So, and then his brother as well, which is awful. So. But what they found out was like a hereditary thing, and they've identified the actual kind of code in the DNA or whatever. They found like a certain link thing between all three of them, which has helped other families as well, so that's pretty cool. Oh, yeah. So if you do want to donate and you enjoy watching me in pain, I'm going to leave a link in the bio below. Yeah, please give. Oh, cracky. How are you doing, Bill? No, no comment. Please. No. Yeah. No. So yeah, we're I think we've got what was it, last 5k now. So yeah, we're doing all right. This is the home stretch. I hope you've enjoyed this little video. It was doing this charity event. It's a Finney electrical special. There's not a lot of electrical work. And we've got any electrical facts for you. Oh, well, we have got some merch coming out. It could be out by the time it is. I've contacted companies and they're happy to produce it, and then people send orders in. They'll basically send it off to you guys, which is cool. So again, comment below of what merch you want to see. So I think lots of people said like hats and beanies and cups, and basically it sounds like the free stuff you get from a trade fair, doesn't it? But yeah, that's it. T-shirts, jumpers, stuff like that, all different sizes. So you just click on it. So it's just the drop shipping thing, just a way of getting stuff out to you guys.
Yeah.
Oh, hey. For this we've got a big moo. Last mile, Joe's hobbling, I'm hobbling, and this will be evidence if we get attacked. Hello.
Like, you came to the wrong neighbourhood.
Hello. They're lovely, aren't they? Hello. Hello. There's two, aren't there? I don't like it, you singing, Bill. Yeah. So let's save some more.
Oh no, it's not that.
If you want to donate, this link's still going to be up, even if you're watching this YouTube video like way after. So, give you a bit more. Hey, we made it back. Crikey, what an event, that was amazing. So yeah, I was absolutely knackered going up the hill, and the only thing keeping us going was me and Joe singing away. Yeah, it was absolute brilliant fun. But yeah, thank you for all those who donated for the event, and thank you for those who watched this video that might feel encouraged to donate to this awesome charity as well. But yeah, what happened was then, so me and Joe were coming down, we actually slid down the hill on a plastic bag. All his legs had gone. My knees went up of hill too, and we were absolutely gone. So what we'd planned to do was to film the ending in Joe and Rachel's hot tub, and they'd be like, oh, hey, we're back, we're chilling. But no, on the way back I was like, Joe, my belly's not feeling right. So I had to pull over, and I was like hiking out the window. But yeah, it wasn't good. So yeah, we finally made it back, and there was no chance for a hot tub at all. But yeah, that's all we've got time for today then. But if you like this kind of content, hit the like button, hit subscribe, hit the little bell notifications, you know when we next upload. So as always, I've got it from me. I'll see you on the next one.